एज यू नो टुडे इज परशुराम प्रकट उत्सव। तो सबसे पहले सभी के लिए परशुराम प्रकट उत्सव की बधाई। और आज टुडेज टॉपिक इज लॉर्ड परशुराम। लॉर्ड परशुराम टुक बर्थ ऑन अर्थ ऑन अक्षय तृतीया। हिज फादर सेज जमदग्नि and mother's name Renuka. He took birth in Brahman family, but his mother Renuka was Kshatriya woman, and he was aggressive from his childhood. He was having 4 sons, and he is immortal on earth. There are 7 person immortal on earth. He is one of them. He taught many famous people. He taught archery to Dronachar and Karna and Bhishma Pitama. He is called incarnation of Lord Vishnu, sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, and he became aggressive from his childhood, and whenever he became anger easily, and he was called preceptor and guru of Brahman. From his archery, he is known and he is immortal on earth. As we know, the Parsuram's story highlights the theme of dharma, discipline, devotee, and consequence of injustice. He killed many corrupted kings of Kshatriya many times, and that's why people respected him. People are devotee of Lord Parsuram. During the Ramayana, he met Lord Ram. He became aggressive when he knew he break the bow of Lord Shiv, because he was a great devotee of Lord Shiv. He is a great devotee of Lord Shiv now also. But when he identified, he realized Lord Ram is incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He is also a Lord. Then he met him and he disappeared from that place. He also taught Lord. He also taught many people archery. He taught Karn and Draupadi Yoga. He gave he gave education of archery to Karn, and he gave education of archery Bhishma Pitama in Draupadi Yoga, and he gave education of archery to Dronachar also. But but he didn't teach any Kshatriya. So Karn hide his identified, even he didn't know he's a Kshatriya. So when he realized then he is Kshatriya, so he gave him curse, उसे श्राप दिया, whenever you need my archery, then you will forget your power. He is having a special kind of power. He is having brain power, मन की शक्ति. So he could reach anywhere, wherever, and he wants to reach in the second and minute and very little time. He always keeps a weapon in his hand. It is just like a axe. It is called farsa in Hindi. His appearance looks like lordship also, because he bore the skin of tiger and lion, and his appearance is attractive. So on Akshay Tatiya, we remembered him, and people worshipped him, and people involved in procession, जलूस में शामिल होते हैं. And on Akshay Tatiya, Parsuram Pragat Utsav is celebrated with great enthusiasm, not only by the Brahmin, it is celebrated by all Hindus, because he is a Lord of Hindus, and he is a incarnation of Lord Vishnu, sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So People celebrate his birth day on Akshaya Tritiya, and people involved in hymn, and people involved religious song activities, perform different religious activities. So I would like to focus on the theme of the story of Lord Parsuram on this day. So that's all from today for my part. यदि आपको ये चैनल पर नए हैं तो इसको सब्सक्राइब करें, और यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक और शेयर करें।